and chana with kim rupani of vibhaktis and genders. Chit and chana can also be used with some of the other kakaraha as well to show uncertainty. In this lecture we will cover two such kakaraha, that is kakarao, kutra, that is where, and kutaha, that is from where. So for example, if I want to say my bag is somewhere, here I am uncertain where my bag is, or I do not know its exact location, then I say mama syutang kutrachit asti or mama syutang kutrachana asti. As you know that kutra means where, but while speaking somewhere we have to add the chit or chana pratyaya to kutra. So kutra and chit makes kutra chit, and kutra and chana makes kutra chana. Let's take more examples. Rama lives somewhere here, then it will be Ramaha atra kutrachit or kutrachana vasati. We are not sure where he stays, but somewhere around here. One more example. I went somewhere yesterday will be hyaha aham kutrachit or kutrachana agacham. We can also have a sentence like did Sita and Radha go somewhere? Then it will be Sita Radha cha kutrachit or kutrachana gatavatyava. Or your books are somewhere in the house. Tava pustakani gruhe kutrachit or kutrachana santi. So that is how we use kutra with chita chana pratyaya. Now let us move forward with kutaha, that is from where. So when kutaha is used with chit or chana, it expresses from somewhere. The place or location is uncertain here. Kutaschita is kutaha and chit, and kutaschana is kutaha and chana joined. Let us take few examples. Arjuna is coming from somewhere. In that case, the sentence will be Arjunaha kutaschit agacchati or Arjunaha kutaschana agacchati. Harsha is buying flowers from somewhere, so it will be Harsha kutaschit or kutaschana pushpani krinati. For example, there is a sentence that Neeraj brings some fruits from somewhere, then it will be Neeraj kutaschit kanichit phalani anayatu or Neeraj kutaschana kanichit phalani anayatu. So that's how the uncertainty is expressed with kutaschit or kutaschana. In this lecture we will see how to use kati with chit and chana. Kati, as you know, is used for the purpose of how many, but to express the uncertainty of count, that is to say several or some, kati is used along with the chit or chana pratyaya. So kati chit is kati and chit, and kati chana is kati and chana joined. Let us understand this with some examples. Well, in this sentence also I express uncertainty of count as we do not know the number of examples. So this same sentence in Sanskritam will be Katichana udaharanaihi avagachama. There are several flowers on that creeper. Here several shows the uncertainty of count. So the sentence will be Tasu latasu katichit pushpani santi or Tasu latasu कतिचन पुष्पाणि सन्ति. Let's take another example. There are some rotis. So it will be katichana rotikaha santi. Here also I do not have the exact quantity of how many rotis are there, but there are several. Few more examples. In that village there were some people. Tasmin grame katichana janaha santi. There are some customers coming for the food. Then it will be katichit or katichana grahakaha bhojanaya agachanti. So that's how we use kati with chit and chana. Next we are talking about kada and katham with chit and chana pratyaya. Kada actually means when and katham means how or whence. Now to express sometimes or perhaps we use kada with chit or chana, that is kadachit or kadachana. Similarly, to express anyhow, anyway or somehow kind of situation, katham is used with chit or chana. So kathanchit and kathanchana are the forms we get while joining the chit and chana with katham respectively. Let us take example for both. Kadachit aham tava gruhe agamishyami. That means I will come to your house sometimes, or perhaps I will come to your house. Let us take another example. I see that girl sometimes in the park. It will be aham tam balikam kadachana udyane pashyami. Perhaps Tarun is eating food. It will be kadachit or kadachana tarunaha bhojanam khadati. Kathanchit Ramaha agamishyati. That is, anyhow Ram will come. Somehow he will learn. So here we are trying to express somehow with katham and chana. I can say kathan chana saha adhigamishyati. Or somehow I may come with you tomorrow. Then it will be kathanchit or kathan chana aham shvaha tvaya saha agacheyam.
Who can start a